Are you looking to establish an edible oil factory and wondering how to find a partner with both technical expertise and the ability to provide efficient turnkey solutions? For 43 years, QIE Group has been focused on the research and manufacturing of edible oil processing equipment, providing reliable oil extraction equipment solutions to customers worldwide. As a national high-tech enterprise, we hold 79 core patents, including critical technologies for solvent extraction equipment and aromatic pressing processes. Through our in-house research and development, we have addressed three major challenges in the industry. Our low-temperature pressing technology reduces grain damage rates from the industry average of 12% to below 3%, retaining over 90% of nutrients. The non-thermal processing technology extends the shelf life of oil products by 30%. Integration of intelligent sensors and AI control has automated the entire refining process, reducing energy consumption by 25%. In the past 3 years, our R&D investment has accounted for more than 7% of our revenue, surpassing the average level for the manufacturing industry. Patent products now account for 60% of annual sales. We not only provide key technologies for edible oil production lines, but also offer customized turnkey edible oil plant solutions for our clients. Choosing QIE Group means choosing a trusted manufacturer of edible oil processing equipment with higher standards, stronger innovation, and comprehensive solutions. We are ready to help you build an efficient and sustainable future for oil processing.